According to Acumen Research and Consulting, the Global Biomimetic Materials Market, valued at USD 41.8 billion in 2023, is projected to reach USD 72.7 billion by 2032, growing at a CAGR of 6.4% from 2024 to 2032. Biomimetic materials, inspired by natural systems and biological processes, are designed to mimic the properties and functions of natural materials. These materials are revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, construction, automotive, and aerospace due to their superior properties, including high strength, lightweight nature, self-healing capabilities, and enhanced durability. One of the primary drivers of market growth is the increasing demand for advanced materials in medical applications, such as prosthetics, implants, and drug delivery systems. Additionally, the growing focus on sustainable and eco-friendly materials has propelled the adoption of biomimetic solutions in various industrial sectors. Innovations in nanotechnology and material science have further expanded the potential applications of biomimetic materials. Biomimetic materials are revolutionizing the way we design and create products by taking inspiration from nature. Imagine materials that mimic the strength of spider silk or the self-cleaning properties of lotus leaves. These innovations are not just fascinating, they have real-world applications. For instance, researchers are developing coatings that repel dirt and bacteria, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. In construction, materials inspired by termite mounds are improving energy efficiency in buildings. Even in medicine, we're seeing breakthroughs with materials that can heal themselves, much like how certain plants regenerate. By studying nature's time-tested solutions, we're unlocking a future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. The potential is limitless, and it all starts with looking closely at the world around us. The sample report copy is available by clicking the link in the description box.